With several viewing opportunities for the northern lights over the past couple months in North Dakota, you may be wondering if it's becoming a more common occurrence. Meteorologist Jacob Morse explains the science behind the aurora.
To explain how the aurora borealis forms, we have to go 93 million miles away to the surface of the sun, where solar flares can occur, ejecting mass into space.
Sunspots are pretty much centers of eruptions on the sun, kind of like we see volcanoes here on Earth. And some of these eruptions can be fairly strong, and they can send plasma out into space. Actual mass of the sun can be sent and hurled out into space.
The Earth's magnetic field protects most of us from these particles, but where it's the weakest, at the poles, these particles can enter Earth's atmosphere. As the electrons collide with various molecules in our atmosphere, such as oxygen and nitrogen, the different colors of the aurora can be seen, ranging from the common green hue to the more rare red and pink colors. The strength and speed that these particles impact the Earth will determine how far south the northern lights can be viewed. The KP index is commonly used as a parameter for this, with a KP index of 5, generally meaning that the northern lights can be viewed in North Dakota. A common myth about the northern lights is that they occur more frequently in the winter, but this is not the case. It's just that there's more darkness in the winter, allowing for a longer period of time during the night to see the aurora. And with the sun on an 11-year cycle for activity, we're now entering into a new solar maximum, where the solar flares can occur more frequently, leading to more northern lights viewing opportunities.
We should just start seeing a little bit more and more activity kind of, yearly here as we ramp up towards the next solar maximum.
So when the next viewing opportunity for the northern lights is, remember to get away from city lights, find a cloudless sky, and look north. But be patient, because forecasts can change quickly, as predicting exactly when the mass ejected from the sun will reach the Earth is very tricky. So oftentimes we don't know about a northern lights viewing opportunity until the day of, or maybe one day beforehand. So stay tuned to the Space Weather Prediction Center as they monitor solar activity and release aurora forecasts. And your First Warn weather team will also try to let you know when there's viewing opportunities for the northern lights in North Dakota.